So my uncle gave me this, and my dad and me build it, and there's also two features. One, there's a ramp and there's unramp. There's also scores, 2,550. There's all of the scores, and we will show you it. I also have another car, and this doesn't come with it, and this car does come with it. And this is what it looks like. Okay, now I will show you it. In 3, 2, 1. As you can see, we put the ramp on and landed on 100. Now for the unramp, now we're gonna put it like that, and we will show you. 3, 2, 1. And the car bounces and then goes back. And we will show you the other car, how it does. This is what the car looks like. And now let's test it without ramp. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, well, let me do it a little more harder. 3, 2, 1. So it kind of does the same thing. Now for the ramp. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. And it later on 25. Reason why I did it, because it doesn't come with it, and it kind of slows down because of the quick generation. It goes like, sometimes it goes like back up and stop right here. But if it does this, then it's gonna land right here because there's not much there's more weight on the back, not the front. So if there be weight on the both side, it will come to 150. Okay, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.